Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a common situation many of us find ourselves in. You're lounging on the couch, ready to catch your favorite show, but the TV remote seems to have vanished. No worries. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the channel on your LG TV without using the remote. Let's get started. 1. Using the TV buttons. First and foremost, your LG TV is equipped with physical buttons right on the TV itself. Look for the channel control buttons, usually located on the side or the bottom. Simply press the channel up or down button to navigate through the available channels. 2. LG TV app. Another fantastic option is using the LG TV remote app. If you've got a smartphone handy, download the LG TV remote app from your app store. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. And voila, you've got a virtual remote control right at your fingertips. 3. HDMI SEC feature. Did you know that many LG TVs come with HDMI SEC functionality? This feature allows you to control multiple devices with a single remote. If your TV is connected to a set-top box or gaming console, changing channels on those devices might also change the channel on your TV. Make sure HDMI SEC is enabled in your TV settings. 4. Voice commands. If you own a smart LG TV with voice recognition technology, you're in luck. Simply stand in front of your TV and speak the channel number or name out loud. The TV should recognize your voice and change the channel accordingly. 5. Universal remote. And lastly, if all else fails, you can always resort to a universal remote. These remotes are designed to work with various TV brands, including LG. Just make sure to follow the instructions for programming the remote with your specific TV model. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Several ways to change the channel on your LG TV without the remote. Whether you're using the physical buttons, the LG TV remote app, HDMI SEC, voice commands, or a universal remote, you're covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, I'm Tony, signing off. Happy channel surfing.